Hi, my name is Egils, I am dance teacher, and today in my home dance video series we will do Viennese Waltz. We will start with very basic things which are suitable for absolute beginners. We will do box step, then natural box, reverse box, and then combine them in very basic routine. After that we will do some exercises for rotation, body rotation, then feet rotation, and then we will do natural turn, reverse turn, and combine in routine which is suitable for this small space. We start with simplest box step, which is similar like in slow waltz, but we will do in slightly quicker tempo. So man starts with right foot forward, left foot to side, right foot close to left foot back, right foot to side, close left foot to right foot. Now we will add a rotation. So man will rotate with body in first step, forward to side, close. Now with left foot back, back to side, close, with right foot forward, forward to side, close, and left foot back, back to side, close. From opposite direction. And forward side, close, back side, close. Forward side, close, back side, close. Now, lady steps. Simple box step with lady starts with left foot back, right foot to side, left foot close, right foot forward, left foot to side, right foot close to left foot. Now rotation. First step back, lady rotates to right, back to side, close, right foot forward to side, close, left foot back to side, close, right foot forward to side, close. Again, and back to side, close, forward side, close, back to side, close, forward side, close. Very good. Now we will do reverse box. Man steps. Man will start with left foot. We will start without turn. So left foot forward, right foot to side, left foot close, right foot back, left foot to side, right foot close with turn. Forward and rotation to left, forward, side. You can do close, or you can do, as in reverse turn, cross. At beginning we will do close. Then right foot back to side, close, forward to side, close, back to side, close. And now when we go forward on third step, we will do, instead of closing, we will do cross in front. Let's look at this. And forward side cross, back side close, forward side cross, back side close. Very good. Now lady steps. Lady starts with right foot, no rotation, back to side, close, with left foot, forward to side, close. Now with rotation. Step back and body rotation, back to side, close, with left foot forward to side, close, with right foot back to side, close, with left foot forward to side, close. And now when lady will go forward, then on third step she will do cross in front. Lady starts with right foot, back to side, simple close, forward to side, and yes, and cross, back to side, close, forward to side, and cross. Again, back side close, forward side cross, back side close, forward, side, cross. Very good. And now we will do very simple routine. Man will start with natural box, 2 bars, 1 bar close change without turn, then 2 bars reverse box and 1 bar close change. So man starts with right foot, forward to side, close, back to side, close. Now change step, forward, diagonally forward small step and close. Now reverse box, forward, side, cross, back to side, close, and now with left foot close change, forward, very small step diagonally and close. And from beginning, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3. Very good. Now lady steps. Lady starts with left foot, back and rotates to right, back to side, close, right foot forward and rotates to right, to side, close. Now close change, back, diagonally, back and close. Now left box or reverse box with right foot back to side, close, and with left foot forward to side, cross, forward to side, cross, and now close change, back, diagonally, back, close. And from beginning, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3. And now let's do this very basic routine to music. And now lady steps. And now let's look at some exercises for body and feet rotation, and after that we will look how it works in natural turn. So, body rotation basically starts here in hip area and upper part of body rotates. So this is rotation to right, neutral, rotation to left, neutral, to right, to left, to right, to left. Now lady will do the same. Ladies hold, so rotation to right, neutral, to left, neutral, to right, to left, to right, to left. And then we have to also do some foot rotation, like this. Feet, 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 feet. This looks strange, isn't it? So, let's look how it works in natural turn. So man starts facing diagonally to center, but body is rotating slightly to left. Then first step with body rotation, and here we achieve neutral position. We continue to rotate body to right, boom, step, and now we will rotate feet more than upper part of body. Hop. See, this would be neutral, but we have this position where shoulders are more to left than our feet. From here we continue rotate upper part of body. So of course here we start this rotation, but shoulders react. Boom. And now slightly different than in first bar. Now we will turn out the feet. This foot is pointing diagonally to center, and body is rotating slightly less than feet, and we close left foot, boom, and we are in correct position to start again. This would be neutral position, but we have slightly rotating position to left with upper part of body. So for lady is the same. So lady starts backing diagonally to center, and body is in this position, meaning rotate slightly to left compared to the feet. So we start rotation, and here lady achieves neutral position. So now is foot pointing diagonally to center, and body is turning less. And this is correct position. This is neutral, but this is slightly rotating with shoulders to left. So we continue. Now we continue rotation and step down the line of dance, and here is neutral position. Continue rotation here, boom, and now we rotate feet more than shoulders, hop, and we are ready to start from beginning. Very good. Now in this small space, not always is necessary to do such a small rotations, but when you have more space, you will use this technique and it will help you. Now we will do simple routine which consists of 8 natural turns, close change, and only 2 reverse turns. So man's steps. So we will count till 8. And 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, close change. 1, 2, 3, and 2 reverse turn. 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, change. 4, 2, 3. From beginning. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, beginning. Lady steps. Lady starts with left foot, 8 natural turns. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 5, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3. Close change. 1, 2, 3. Reverse turn. 2, 2, 3. 3, 2, cross. And close change. 4, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3, 2, 2. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, whoosh. Let's do this routine to music. I hope you enjoyed this dance lesson. I encourage you to continue practicing again and again these things, and when you succeed, I invite you to my YouTube channel. There are plenty of free dance videos. You can watch them, find more information, and develop your dancing. And now I would like to thank my patrons on Patreon. Without your love and your support, it wouldn't be possible to make such a free dance videos for everybody. So thank you. I invite you who are watching me now, join us in Patreon. If you want, there is possibility to agree on private dance lesson online. That's possible. So link is in description. Again, thank you all. Stay safe, stay home, and keep dancing.